Hi there! This is just a quick video showing how I attempted to fix a pair of Bluetooth JBL headphones. Yes, I did use the term attempted. These headphones arrived in a large bundle of items. It appears that the headphones were severely liquid damaged, but I don't have a pair of Bluetooth headphones and I've always wanted some, so I'm going to attempt to repair them. One person's junk is sometimes another person's treasure. I started by removing the ear cups, which just pop off with a gentle pull. Next, I located the 4 screws on each earpiece which separate the speaker covering from the speaker housing. After unscrewing the earpiece, the speaker is loose but is still held to the housing with some clips. Although you can't see very well in the video, it is fairly obvious which way the clips need to be pried. It was a little terrifying how much force I needed to use, more than I was comfortable with. I tried as much as possible to wiggle and twist instead of applying more force. If I broke the clips, that could end up game over pretty quick. But alas, they finally came free. Although it can't be seen very well from the camera, there was some corrosion inside, particularly around the Bluetooth module. That's not good. I removed the other earpiece to reveal the battery. I probed the battery with a voltmeter, but didn't get a reading. I removed the charge port. I then further disassembled the main logic board and cleaned everything with some contact cleaner, tweezers, and a toothbrush. The OEM charge cable has a USB connector on one end and a mini phono connector on the other. I didn't have the proper cable, and I didn't have a mini 4-pole phono jack in order to make one. So I ohmed out the connector, removed it, and soldered the plus and minus leads of a USB cable directly to the JBL harness. With the USB cable connected to a USB charger, I could now measure voltage. This is great because it means there's no dead short in the main board. I let it charge for a period of time, but although the battery wouldn't hold a charge, the unit would still not power up. To the battery terminals. It still wouldn't power up. Oh well, you win some, you lose some. Into the e-waste pile it goes. I make videos about repairing electronics, doing restorations, and vintage hardware computer reviews. This channel focuses on saving you money and helping you fix broken stuff, and focuses on the entertainment value of the history of vintage computer hardware. Please like and subscribe and help me make more videos and improve the production quality of these videos. Thanks so much.